example here. So for the first example, it makes the reader feel confused because the two simple sentences do not have any relation with each other. But for the revision one, we can find we put an but in this sentence, so we can feel that we have a very contrast. The second sentence is contrast with the first one, so we use a transitional word but here. And also we can link sentences through subordination. Those connectors like after, although, as if. So do you know the differences between subordination and coordination? Subordination is complex sentences. So do you know what is complex sentence? It's with one main clause and some other dependent clause. It's different from the compound sentence, because in compound sentence is complete with two independent clauses. This one is one main clause and another dependent clause. So the one carries the main idea and the other is no longer a complete sentence. We can check this example. We can see the second one. The campus parking problem is getting worse because the university is not building any new garages. Here we link because here because the second clause explains the first one. So it gives the reason for the first sentence. So why the campus parking problem is getting worse is because the university is not building any new garages. So last strategy we could use is use parallel structure. I think it's more often used in essays like argumentative essays instead of the lab reports or other kind of academic essays. Here we can find in the first example the author used 3, the right to. You can see the blue phrases, the right to, the right to, the right to. So he repeated this because it will make us feel more smoothly when we read this sentence. So the reason became more various and more smoothly. So here we have another abscess you can find on the other one you haven't finished there. Yeah, vary the sentence pattern. This one.
I think we don't have presentation. They said they are going to do in the next day.
Also, make an announcement after. So because I don't think the third part is very useful then.
Yeah. So like after this, then I can say something about things. Yeah. If you.
So do you want to make any compliment for my presentation, like what I have before?
Yeah, we can talk about that. So do you mean do I have any comments or something? So what was your question? I didn't really get it.
So do I lost something while I do this presentation? So we can make compliment on this. I mean, if I'm missing any parts.
Oh, okay. Also, that's fine. That's fine. Now, I mean, like the third part, I can do the vocabulary part. I can do later. So.
Because I think you have already done the vocabulary part. 2 weeks before.
Yeah, we did kind of it, yeah, we did kind of it. But we will talk about the general issues. So, like, for example, yeah, I mean, I can type up and then send you some of the general comments if you want.
Now let's go back to the whole class. And we can check the first two answers on this PowerPoint. Does anyone have a good version? You can share it with us. I think the first one is easy, right? And the second one,